Alright YouTube, this is my 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's got the 5.7 Hemi. Go ahead and give you a cold start. The exhaust system I got the rear muffler delete with some 4-inch tips. Then I got the metal suitcase resonator, whatever it is, deleted and replaced with an X pipe. Nothing too fancy, but it sounds awesome. Alright, let's go for a little cruise here. See what she sounds like. Try to get you a better view here of my exhaust. Couple other things I got done to the Jeep. Just a cold air intake. No big name brand, just Spectre. Gets the job done. And then the next thing I got is the 87mm throttle body by Modern Muscle Extreme. I got it on sale, so I had to jump on that for $2.99, and I honestly think it makes a big difference.